In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace front interior door panels on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located on the inside of the front doors. Let's get started. We're going to open our door and make our way to our interior door handle and the trim panel behind it. I'm going to remove it using a small flat blade screwdriver. Insert it and pry off. Set it aside. Behind that trim piece there is a T20 Torx screw. Go ahead and remove it using a T20 Torx bit. We're going to move down to our master window switch and its trim panel. We're going to remove the lower panel, just pull it out. Set it aside. We now have access to our two T25 Torx screws. Remove these as well. I'm going to take hold of the whole assembly here and pull it up. Slide it out of the panel. We're going to turn it over and locate our connector. Push down on the tab and slide it out. Do the same for the other one on the back. Locate the tab and slide it out. Set it aside. On the side of the door panel, we're going to locate this trim panel. Remove it using a flat blade screwdriver. Pry it up and out. Set it aside. We're going to locate a T20 Torx screw. Remove it as well. We're going to move to the bottom side of the door panel next to the door and locate our last screw. This is a T20 Torx screw. Remove it as well. Now grab the top portion of the door panel and pull it away from the door. And pull it away from the door. On the inside of our door panel, we are going to locate our door latch cable. To remove it, I'm going to push up on this tab and slide it out. So push up and slide it away from the door panel. We're also going to locate our interior door handle and the door lock connector. Push down on the tab and slide it out. Now pull the door panel away from the vehicle. Now to install our door panel, bring it close to the door. Going to start off by reconnecting our door lock switch. Align it and push in. We'll do the same with the door latch cable, feed it through, and clip it down. Ensure they're both secure. Also, don't forget to run your window switch connections up and out of the panel. We are going to line up all of our door panel clips and push them in. On the side of the door panel, we are going to reinstall our T20 Torx screw, line it up and snug it down. Reinstall your cover as well. The cutout points towards the bottom. On the bottom of the door panel, we are going to reinstall another T20 screw, snug it down as well. We're going to reinstall our master window switch. We're going to start by connecting our electrical connectors, line them up and push in. Ensure they're fully secure. Once they're installed, flip it over and slide the whole unit into the door panel. Once everything is lined up, push down. We're also going to reinstall our T25 Torx screws, snug these down as well. We're going to reinstall our cover, just push it in. We're going to move on to the interior door handle and its T20 screw. We're going to go ahead and reinstall its cover as well. Open the handle, slide in the front portion first with its tab, and push down. And that completes our install. Verify the door works as intended, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.